Hi everyone, welcome you all in the live session. As you know, today we are going to work with a game, and it's a magic mirror game that we are going to make. So, it's on Scratch, it's very interesting. I'll let you know how this magic mirror game will work. So, let me show you first. I'm sharing my screen with you all, and so as you can see on the screen that there is a backdrop. So we are using actually three layers. One layer is the backdrop. Second layer is the second backdrop where the buttons are given like red, green, and blue. And on the third layer there is a sprite. As you can see, this cat uh, is a sprite. As a sprite, you can select your sprite, anyone. Now let me run this game. If I click on the green flag, then I can move my sprite. So basically, this sprite, first I'm moving this cat sprite over here. So in the mirror, it seems very normal. Now what we will do next, I will go back and I want to see the magic mirror. So first, this is a red color button. So when I click on up arrow key, then I'm moving to the mirror. Okay, see, this is the effect I can see in the magic mirror. Now I'll go to the green button, and if I press the up, and again I'm going over here. See, this is my second mirror. Then for the third one, if I press up arrow key, then and see. So this is what we are going to make today. Now I'm just stop sharing my screen, and I'm going to share one backdrop with you all for the second layer. This backdrop you can prepare or even you can have it. Okay. So I'm just sending you the backdrop, but how? Okay, I need to attach the link over here. No problem, I will attach it, otherwise you can make your own. Okay, so I'm going to share my picture block screen now. What you are going to do, you will open your browser, and over here you will write picture blocks. So yeah, now when you click on it, you can see it's loading. So when you open your picture blocks, you will come back to the block coding. And I have Toby sprite. You can take any sprite. So basically, I want to take a cat sprite because it seems good for me. You can take any sprite for the mirror. So the first sprite I will select is my cat. Okay, and I'm going to delete the Toby. So actually, I will duplicate of the sprite. Why? Because as you know that this cat sprite will have the duplicate so that it can see its reflection in the mirror. So for watching the reflection, we need to make the duplicate sprite. So what I'm going to do over here, I will simply make a duplicate, that's cat2, and I can write a name reflection over here for this sprite. Now I will take one backdrop as a bedroom. So I can pick any bedroom sprite. I'm picking up this one. And this is my simple cat sprite. And this is my another sprite, that's the reflection one. Okay, so the reflection sprite I'm putting over here all together because they have to walk all together. But first I need to take the backdrop, then I will decide. So I'm just going to upload my backdrop as a sprite. Okay, so I will go and let me take my backdrop. So this is my backdrop, okay? And I want this sprite should be over here and this sprite is here only. So yeah, so this I can do with the help of code, and I need to arrange my backdrop sprite first. So for that, what I will do, I am going to work with the code part of the sprite. So first I will write down the code for my sprite. Okay. And I need to arrange both. So one is here, one is here, and I'm moving it like this way. Okay. This is my first cat sprite, and this is my second one who is standing over here. Okay, so this is first, and this is second sprite. So this way you need to arrange your sprite. Okay. Now, what is the next step? The next step is that if you are pressing the right arrow key or left arrow key, it will be moving right and left, and this sprite will be at the front layer. Okay. So first thing is when green flag click, I will give the position of my sprite is here only, and the layer of my sprite should be the front layer. So I'm just moving it like go to the front layer, and I want to move it with the event blocks like when key pressed. So I'm just duplicating the blocks. So when right arrow key pressed and when left arrow key pressed. Also, when I move my sprite, I want my sprite to set the rotation style. It means if it is moving left and right, it should move itself to left and right. Okay, so it will move left right, like it will set the rotation style to left right. This is right and left. So what we need to do is that for right, point in direction will be 90. For left, point in direction will be minus 90. Okay, so for right, the cat will look towards the right side, and for left, it should look towards the left side. That should be minus 90. When you do minus 90, it will be towards the left side. Now it should move, and also it will change the costume. So it will move with some steps. We'll go to looks and take next costume parts. Okay. The same thing I will do for the reflection one. The reflection one has to shake, okay, when I am just moving it. Okay, so this is for the right and left arrow key. For this, we'll do nothing. Okay. Now what I want is for the reflection one, I did copy with the same steps, right? And also I want the position should be same for the reflection sprite as well, because they both are moving all together, right? One is at the front layer and one is at the second layer. So for the reflection, I'm just doing the code like it should be to the front layer, but it should be the backward second layer. Actually, I'm defining the layer also for this reflection sprite. So I'm just taking it. So it will be to the front layer and it will be backward to the second layer because the third layer is that bedroom one, second layer is this one, the mirror, and first layer is where your cat is given. Okay, so this block actually do this, and afterwards it will clear all the graphics effect. Means when you start something, it will clear the graphics effects. So I will go to looks and I'm having a block that clear all the graphics effects. Okay. Now let's come to the magic mirror and for this mirror, we need to do it like it should be front layer, but the layer will be the first layer. Okay, so the front, but it will be the first layer and the position should be 0 0 means exactly the same position. So I'm just moving it over here and go to X and Y. I'll make it as 0 and over here it will be 0 as well. Then I'm moving it to the front layer and it will be like it will be backward first layer. Okay, forward first layer is my sprite, so it should be backward first layer. Now if I run this and if I'm moving it, okay, I didn't give the actually the radiation. Set rotation style I need to give. Okay, and right and for left it should be -10. So I'm making it -10. For here also the left one should be -10. Okay. Now if I run and if I'm moving it, ah, left arrow. Okay, point 10 is 90 -90, na? So it works. Okay, sorry. If you are giving the point in direction, then it will work with the 10 only. Okay, no need to do -10 because I am giving the direction. Yeah. So when I start, I'm going towards this side. Okay, with the right arrow key, I can zoom in little bit. When I do the right arrow key, it's moving towards the right side. Okay, and you can see him in the mirror. Okay, and when you press the left arrow key, it's moving to this side and you can see this cat sprite in the mirror. What next I want? The next I want is when I press the up arrow key, then this sprite is going to move up. Okay. So for making my sprite jump, what we need to do? So for jumping my sprite, I will repeat the Y for number of times. Okay, because I'm changing the number of Y again and again at the same time. So that it will make a jump. It will have a jump. So what we'll do next is I'm just coming over here and I will pick the event like when up key pressed. So if I'm going to press up arrow key, I'll go to control. I'm taking a repeat and it will be changed by 10. Now, when I duplicate this block, it should be repeat 10 times, change by minus. Okay, fine. Now if I run and if I do come over here and if I press up arrow key, okay. I did this code for the reflection as well. For the cat, you will do this code. So when I run for both, you will do this code. Okay, like I'm coming over here. So when I press up arrow key, see, it's having a jump and come over here, jump, come over here, jump, come over here, jump. Got it? So And if I'm coming over here and jump, so of course, if you are jumping, then in the mirror also you are jumping. Now, so you will do the code for both cat, like for the cat and for the reflection. Let's revise the stuff what we did till now. Actually, we made three layers. Okay, one layer is where you have the bedroom as a sprite, like you can see in the costume section of the backdrop. You have only one backdrop sprite. Just look at that. This one backdrop sprite. Now, the rest three sprites you'll pick as the sprites. This is the magic mirror sprite, and I'll show you how to make this magic mirror sprite. You will go to costumes. You can make this magic mirror sprite. Let me tell you quickly how to make that. Oh, sorry, I did copy this. Okay. So I made a blank template. What you can do, you can pick any of your favorite color. You can take a square and you can quickly pick this one, this much. Now you will duplicate, copy paste the square and moving it little bit down and just make it like this and change the color to this one. Then you will have one again a square that can be of green color, yellow color, whatever the color you wish to pick, you can pick. Okay. Okay. And the width will be 12 approx, and I'm just taking this. So I'm having this one over here. This is my mirror. So basically the mirror color actually we need to change. Okay, so this is the outline mirror, and inside it should be the blank space. So what I'm going to do is that I will simply come over here, click on it, and it should be the blank one. So no, yeah, okay. Hmm. And this much space I don't want. I can take eraser or I can do convert to bitmap. I will simply take this part and I'm just removing this much. I'm selecting this much. Okay, just to undo. Let me select it again. Convert to bitmap. I will select this part. Okay, and I'll delete this one. So when you are doing this, it means that this is a part of the mirror. It's quite this side, but it's all right. You can move your mirror that side too. Now you will do convert to vector again, and you will make the buttons. So one is the red, second is the green, third is the blue button. So one button is the red button. Second is the blue button. So I'm just pasting. Okay, sorry. So I'll just select this one and copy paste. So this should be the green button. And then I'll do copy paste. And this should be the blue button. Okay, for the green button, I want to take some dark color in the green. So see, this is your backdrop. Your backdrop is ready. When you click green flag, you can see yourself over here as well in the backdrop. Tring, 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 right? So you can make your backdrop by yourself. There's no need of, taking the backdrop from somewhere. So I don't need this one. I have this one already. So I'm working with this backdrop. Okay, I think this much is clear for you all. What is the next step? So the next step is like when your sprite is going to touch the colors, like suppose a red color, green color, blue color, then there should be the broadcast will appear. Okay, so the same thing I'm going to do over with the cat sprite. This code I'm going to write down here. So I'm taking forever because these conditional statements works inside the forever most of the time, and touching color. Now I will pick the color. First is the red color. I pick the red color. See, if you feel that the video is very fast or I'm explaining you too fast, you can pause, you can do your step, and then you can proceed further. Okay, this is the best way of doing it. This project can be happen on Scratch as well. So you can make it on Scratch as well, right? So what I'm going to do next is, this is the red color. I'm going to make a broadcast of red color. So I'm taking a message and I will write red. Then I will do duplicate of it and select color picker, and this is a green color, and the broadcast I will make as green. Okay, and again this you will do for the cat. Okay, for the sprite that's giving to the very front surface. Now I'm making the another one, that is this one, so it should be blue. Okay, I made all three broadcasts. I want one sound over here. Okay, it's all right. I can take meow sound or you can take any other sound also, like, acha, theek hai. Let's take a sound. So, okay, I'm taking bite sound. I like it. So, I'm just taking a sound as a bite. Now, here also bite. Here also bite. Okay. So I took all three sounds over here. Bite, bite, bite. Okay. So now I am coming to my reflection, because this is the part that we will do is the graphics part, and we'll do this with the reflection. So when you receive red, the change graphics, I want with red, it should be real effect. Okay. So what we will do next, I will go to reflection, and I will take, when I receive red color, it should be in the effects. So you will go to the looks, and whatever the graphics effect given previously, it should be clear, and uh, 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 change effect. I'm selecting effect by 100. Okay, let's see. So when I start, I'm going to the red color one. Okay, let me zoom in. I'm going to the red color one. I'll make a jump. I'm coming over here. Oh my God, what happened to my face? Okay, the same way you will do with a bat, bat, bat. You didn't clear the effect. So I'm just making a duplicate. Nothing we need to do. We are just making it green. And here we will change the effect to fishy effect. Okay. So let's make it fishy effect by hand. So if I run again, oh, I seem so beautiful and normal. Let's see my magic mirror. So when I, mama, okay. Okay, by the way, the sound is actually, you know, I'm taking this until done. Bite until done. because this seems so duplicate, duplicate, and this. Okay. Let me run. So the red and green button is done. I look so beautiful in the mirror. Wow, that's nice. And now I'm moving over here. Kadoo. Oh my god, what happened to my face? Okay. Kanao. And the third one is this one. So the third one, I want to have the pixel one. So I'm going to reflection. I'll make a duplicate and this should be blue. With blue, I'm making pixel 220. Okay, so that, 30. Okay, 30, it's fine. I can even, I need to identify myself as well, not myself, this kit. Okay, so when I start green flag, okay, very happy she is. Now let's go to the magic mirror. Ting tong, ting tong, ting tong, ting tong. Ting, 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 ting. Okay, up at to-do. Oh my god, what happened to my voice? To-do. To-do. Oh my god. I want normal one. Let's start again. I like this one. So this is what the project is. It's very easy, simple. Nothing is tough in this. It's a very, very simple concept. You all need to apply. Let me show you the final look of the code. So as I explained to you, there are three layers. One layer is this, second layer is this. So this is layer one, this is layer two. On the third layer, I can see my cat sprite. Okay, what the code is. First is the code, like my cat will be standing to the very front layer, and when it is touching the color dots, we will make the broadcast, and this broadcast will come to the reflection sprite because I want to make changes with the reflection sprites only. So what are the changes? When I receive red, when I receive green, when I receive blue, then there will be the changes happens and the previous effects is going to clear. So I guess everyone, you enjoy this session and it's very simple, short, easy project for all of the age group students. Those are learning coding and those actually want to make something different with this. So if I run, I will run it again. So I'm just moving to the blue dot and I can see my face. And the green one, I can see my face. I'm moving to the red one, I can see my face. Wow, this magic mirror works absolutely well. So you can make the starting screen, ending screen. You can add the music or sound while walking. And when the broadcast came, then what the reaction is, you can make the changes because changes are always, makes your skills improve. So everyone, now we will meet in the next session. Till then, bye bye.